week we went through Fiesta by IZ*ONE. We actually went through the same first chorus for taking 4 classes to focus on more clean up the choreography and get into the formation nicely, and it actually turned into be very great. If you guys are wondering how we did, I'm gonna put all of our K-pop cruise videos at the end of this video, so make sure to check them out. So in this video, I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial for the first chorus of Fiesta, and we're gonna try with the actual music at the end, so hopefully you guys can join me. Also, before we get to start this video, we have the in-person Kpop Dance Workshop in Arizona on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 8 to 9 p.m. and this class opens for any level and ages. So if you are living nearby and want to join us, please feel free to check them out. Also, even if you're not living near Phoenix area, that's still totally fine because we have the live workshop on our Facebook group called the Arizona Kpop Dance Workshop, and that's totally free and anyone can join as well. So if you are interested in joining us and dancing with us, please feel free to check them out as well. Alright, please don't forget to give us thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and let's get this video started. Alright, so today we're gonna start on 5. So first you're gonna extend your right leg and point it forward, and on 5 you're just gonna look down and up. Your right index as well, point down and up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. On 7, put your feet together. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Now on 8, you're gonna start with cross and up and in. Okay, so your arms first, you're just gonna cross. Make sure your right elbow is down and the left elbow is pointed to the left. You open your hands as well, and then you're gonna drop your left elbow down. Now extend your right arm on top, and as you bring your right arm down, you're gonna take your left hand to the left, pull a little bit, and bring it back to the center. Okay? So right elbow down, right hand up, left hand pull, and back to the center. In a count, 8 and 1 and 2. Good. 8 and 1 and 2. Now with your legs, first you're gonna step with your right foot. 8. Now hold it, and then when you take your right arm up, step left as well, and then pull to the left, and when you bring your hands back to the center, open your legs. So 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2. Good. This is gonna be a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Good. From the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2. Good. After that, you're gonna swing to the right. Make sure to take your left leg up and just lean to the right, and then so that you can face to the left. Good. When you come to the left, you're gonna put your feet together and then take your right arm up first, and then switch left arm up, right, left, and then we're gonna tap our chest. Tap, 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 tap. When you tap it, you're gonna add a little bit of wave as well. Take your chest and the belly forward, and then at the same time, tap, tap, tap. You're gonna step, step, and run. Good. So push to the right and right, left. Now tap your chest, step, step, run. In a count, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. And then you're gonna gradually stand up straight. And 1, 2. Again, open your legs and take your left hand next to your shoulder so that you can go clap, clap, open, clap. Good. This is gonna be a little bit tricky. So first, take your left hand next to your shoulder, and then you're gonna clap twice, clap, clap, and then your left hip move to the left. Now, when you open your arms, take your hip to the right. Good. Now, you're gonna bring your right arm to the left one more time, but your hip stays on the right. Okay. Now, you're gonna bring both of your hands to the right, and we're gonna bring it up. Now, when you bring it up, shift your hip to the left, and then your arms go around your head and flip. Good. Okay, one more time. 1, 2. Now clap twice. To the left, clap, clap. Now open to the right, clap again. Bring your arms to the right, bring it up, shift to the left, and a circle, and flip. Good. In a count, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. After that, you're gonna get lower a little bit and then flip up. When you flip it, your arms make a circle from in and up. At the same time, bend your right knee up. And then you're gonna step back so that you can walk forward, right, left, flip, flip, down. Good. Your legs just gonna be right, left, and take your right hip forward. Yeah, be a little bit sexy. There you go, it's a girl's song. Okay, and your arms first cross, left hand on top. Now, open, step on left, and then bring both of your arms on top of your head, but start with your right hand to flip, left hand flip, and down. Good. Okay, from flip, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, step back, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, you're gonna get lower, open your arms, and toss 3 times, up, 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 and stand up, and you're gonna face back. Good, now we are halfway through. Let's start from the very beginning, which is here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2. To the right, left, and tap, 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 step back, and right, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. Now flip up, step back. Now right, left, flip, flip, out, down, and toss 3 times. Stand up and turn around. Good. In a count, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are facing backward. So make sure your left foot forward. I'm gonna facing forward right now to give you guys the tutorial, but right now we are facing backward. Okay? Now left foot forward. What we're gonna do is down, step out, down, step out, down, step out. Okay? First, your left foot forward and then down. Now kick to the left and then put your left foot behind your right. Now switch, kick right and put your right foot behind your left. One more time, kick to the left. Now, at this time, you're gonna turn around to your left shoulder, okay? So that we're gonna face forward. We're gonna turn left, and then as you turn around, you're gonna take your right knee up, okay? So your legs down, left, down, right, down, left, turn around, and right knee up. Good. Your arms, same thing with your legs. Down, punch to the left, down, punch to the right, down, punch to the left, and then take your right knee up, hands up. Good. One more thing, if you can, when you punch, face that direction. Left, turn around. Okay, so now everyone face back. Here we go. And starting from your left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Good. On 4, here we go. Extend your arms on top and your right knee. So that we can go step, 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 step. Good. Your legs just gonna be right toe front, back, okay? Now, if you can, add a little jump. Make sure you always land when your right toe down, 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 down. Your arms move the opposite. Back, front, back, front. Now, imagine that there's someone in front of you on your left side. Put your left hand on your friend's shoulder, and then you're just gonna flip and throw. Good. Your right hand, flip and throw. Now, we're gonna go up again. Next thing, we're just gonna go straight down. Extend your right leg. Here we go. And again, we're gonna extend our arms Now, when you put your hands down on your knee, bring your right leg back and hip up. Good. Okay, let's start from the second half. 5, 6, from the left, and 1, and 2, and 3, flip. Turn around, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now flip. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now when you stand up, you're gonna cross your legs, left foot forward, and extend your arms. Your right arm on top. Good. And then you're gonna throw it. When you throw it, take your left arm to the right, and then bend your right knee as well. Good. So then we're gonna come back here one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then last thing, we're just gonna turn around to your right shoulder. Make sure you put your right foot behind your left so that you can turn around. And hands up. Yeah. As you're turning around, your arms in front of your chest. But then when you finish turning up, your arms on top. Good. And then the last thing, we're just gonna come to the center. Take your left hand on your hip and then flip to the right, throw to the right, hands up, cross open, and down. Good, that's it. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. All right, this is it. Let's start from the second half. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, flip, 1, 2, up, down, up, knee, wave up, and cross, throw, 3, 4, and step, step, turn around, 1, 2, 3, 4, and right, left, up, cross, up, and down. All right, let's do from the very beginning with a little bit faster speed. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7. Now flip up, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Down, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and step, 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 flip, throw, up, down, up, knee, wave up, and cross, throw, 3, 4, and step, 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 turn around, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. All right, it's time to do with actual music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6, 7, flip, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, turn around, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and up, 5, 6, flip, 1, 2, up, down, up, knee, wave up, throw, and 5, 6, turn around, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, 8, and 1. Alright, good job guys, and thank you so much for dancing with me. Hope it helps to get the choreography of the first chorus. Please feel free to let me know if you guys have any questions with the comments down below. And don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!